It will take all of us, neighbors, students, professionals, and friends, working together to restore hope and rebuild stronger. Visit supportjamaica.gov.jm. Click Volunteer for Hurricane Melissa and complete the short registration form. We are Jamaicans, strong, resilient, and united. Join the movement. Volunteer today.
There you go. Message from the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, Sports, the Honorable Olivia Babsey-Grange, inviting you all to support Jamaicans, signing up today to join the national effort at supportjamaica.gov.jm.